Hi, my name is Goodluck. Welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, I'll walk you through on how to solve these two logarithmic equations given to us. They are very simple. All we need to do is to obey the laws of logarithm and we'll get the right answer. Watch through the end and you'll be able to solve any kind of logarithmic equation. Let's solve number one. Number one question says 8 raised to the power of y divided by 4 equal to log 16 base 2. Now the first thing we do here is to express 8 and 16 as the power of their base. So we can have that this becomes 2 raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of y divided by 4 equal to log 16 2 raised to the power of 4 or in base 2. So from here I have that this becomes 2 raised to the power of 3y divided by 4 equal to, now from our index law to my right hand side, this becomes 4 times log 2 to base 2. And we know that logarithm to its base is equal to 1. So therefore our equation becomes 2 raised to the power of 3y divided by 4 equal to 4 times 1. So we have 2 raised to the power of 3y divided by 4 equal to 4. Now for us to be able to solve further, we have to express 4 as the power of its base. And if we do that, our expression becomes 2 raised to the power of 3y divided by 4 equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. Now since their bases are equal, we equate their powers. So we have 3y divided by 4 is equal to 2. So 3y will be equal to 2 times 4. 3y is equal to 8. So therefore, y is equal to 8 divided by 3. That is the answer. So all we did here was we are able to, first of all, our 8 and 16, we express them as the power of their base, and we simplify it, and we know that logarithm to its base is equal to 1. So log 2 to base 2 is equal to 1, and we have to equate the numbers, and we are able to find that y is equal to 8 divided by 3. Let's take up number 2 question. Now our number 2 question says log 16 to base 8 plus log x to base 2 equal to 10 divided by 3. At this point, we have to do one thing first, and that is we have to express log 16 to base 8 in a convenient base so that we can be able to simplify. So therefore, this can be expressed as, if we choose a convenient base like base 2, here we have log of 16 to base 2 divided by log of 8 to base 2 plus log x to base 2 equal to 10 divided by 3. Now at this point, we have to express 16 and 8 as the power of their base. So we have that this becomes log 2 raised to the power of 4 all to base 2 divided by log 2 raised to the power of 3 all to base 2 plus log x to base 2 equal to 10 divided by 3. Now we know that from our index law of logarithm, we can express this equation further as 4 multiplied by log 2 to base 2 divided by 3 multiplied by log 2 to base 2 plus log x to base 2 equal to 10 divided by 3. We know that logarithm to its base is equal to 1. So we have that this becomes 4 times 1 divided by 3 times 1 plus log x to base 2 equal to 10 divided by 3. So from here we arrive at 4 divided by 3 plus log x to base 2 equal to 10 divided by 3. Now we have to collect like terms. We have that this becomes log s to base 2 equal to 10 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 3. Now in our right hand side, our denominator is the same, so we take our LCM. First, our equation becomes log s to base 2 equal to 10 minus 4 divided by 3. This will be equal to 6 divided by 3. So therefore, log x to base 2 will be equal to 2. From here, we can apply the relationship between indices and logarithm. So therefore, this becomes s equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. So our s is equal to 4. That is the answer. So we are given a question, and that question was not convenient for us to solve, and we have to change the base to be able to simplify the equation. Please, if you know you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and please share it. If you have any question, you can drop on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.